Hello. Now we will discuss how to fetch single data from database. Here also at first declare the function name at switch case. The function name is get1 and then go to the function. If you see that the whole function body is similar like add user function. Here are two changes. You can see here at this line because here from this line we get the value of id and it convert into the object id because if you see in database the id is in object id type, and if you see in our result of add result, then you can see his id is in string type. That's why we convert the id in string to object id format. And another change is in find by. Here replace find by id in place of create and pass the field name of database, that is underscore id, and value of the object. And others body is similar. You now check the output, copy the id from here, and it is the url of our localhost, and paste in the body and click on send. It gets sometime. If you see, the result is coming, and that's why it's working. Now we see how to update this data. That time again we declare a function, and this function also declare in switch case, and then this function body is also similar like add user and get one function. Here also changing this function. Here use the find by id and update, and pass the user id that user id face the body sorry, id from body, and also it convert in object id from object id type, and request the data which get the data of body. And here you can see the new equal to it's this line means if you change in first name value, that means which field value is changed, that field is update and other field is similar. That's why it is here. And then if you check, and other body is similar, so we check in output and go to the update. It is the same local url, and we paste the id here, and change in first name, click on send. See, your first name is changed. So I think you understand. Thank you.